What's going on, guys? It's your boy. It's not really your boy, it's Unbox Everything, and today we have something very special here. We have the this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, and this is a combo pack, and I am very excited to open this, so let's just jump right to it. Gonna start with, got my trusty scalpel, and just gonna very carefully, by the way, very carefully, gonna open it. Where's the best place to open this? Okay. This is a combo pack which basically comes with a tripod stand and a little bag to store it. It was only maybe like 20 quid more here, 20 pounds more here in the UK. Or might as well, because it might come in really handy, because some of the features that this away first. Some of the features that this gimbal has are really cool, and you can do some pretty cool tracking stuff with this thing. So here we go. Look at that. Not much else really to it. I mean, there are some contents here. It says, so what you get in the box: Osmo Mobile 3, Osmo carrying case, Osmo grip tripod, power cable, storage pouch, and a wrist strap. And also, I think you are supposed to download an app which goes alongside this gimbal, and it will help you create some really awesome stuff. There's one more little sticker I forgot to cut. Here we go. Okay, let's go one by one. So let's see, what do we have here? I don't know what this is. Wow, I don't know how to open this. They always come up with the weirdest... There we go. I swear these companies always come up with the strangest and most advanced packaging methods. So this is the tripod. So this is the extras. This isn't the gimbal itself. This is the extras that it comes with. I'm gonna take this out. And so it has a 1/4 inch screw here. It's just made of plastic, but it feels quite sturdy actually. You would screw this on to the bottom of the gimbal, and then you have a tripod, and also you can use it as like an extension arm as well when it's folded down. So that's pretty cool. And here we go. There we go. Okay, we got some instructions. Put that off on the side. Don't really need that right now. Oh, these are some kind of anti-slip pads that you get. Here is it's a USB to USB Type C cable. That's quite cool. That will come in handy. I like cables like that. They always useful to have. So this is empty now, and this is the thing I took out of it. I'm gonna put this on the side. What is this? Oh, I think this is the carry. This is the carry case. So this is a pouch. It's very cool. It's very good. It's very nice. It's got a nice velvety feel. Moving on, this is the main event. So the rest of this box is empty now, so we can store this away. And by the way, I will do a little test once I unbox this and once it's all out in the open. So we're just gonna open this, and this is already I didn't realize, but so you have a pouch, but you also have a carry case, which it comes already very nicely packaged up in. It says Osmo DJI on there, which is really cool. And you got like a back panel that you can store some stuff in as well. Perhaps maybe the cable, or perhaps this tripod. These tripod legs. So here's a first look of how it comes in together. It's all really nicely, neatly packaged. I'm very well impressed. It's basically ready to go. Essentially, we don't need that. Get rid of that. I'm gonna get rid of some of this plastic as well. Okay, and that's kind of it. You get the tripod legs. You got the pouch. You get a strap. USB to USB Type C cable, and some anti-slip feet that I'm assuming you stick on to something. And this is the device itself. Wow. First impressions, it feels quite solid. It's got a bit of a weight to it, which is nice. You kind of know what you're holding at least. Yeah, this feels really good in the hand. I'm not sure how to actually open this up first. There are some instructions. Okay, let's read it real quick. So just kind of talking through it again, before we actually activate anything. The app is downloading. This is the main grip. You have what I assume is like a zoom or in and out little button here. You have almost like a joystick here, and I assume that's to control the gimbal itself. This is automatic. It does have a little motor running inside it, which is good. And it's got a record button straight on the device itself, so you don't have to hit record on your phone. And obviously the whole point of this is to give you smoother footage. So you obviously want to reduce any kind of unwanted touching of your phone, and therefore reducing any kind of like shaking or whatnot. So yeah, that's really cool to have. And there's another button here. I'm not sure what it does. It says M, and there appears to be like a power icon there. So I assume this is what you push to power it up. And also just on the side here, it's just the USB port just on the side there. So far, so good. Oh, and I've just noticed there's a USB-C also right there. So that's really cool. That's really good to have. Let me just get back to you. Check this app. What I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna put this on the tripod that it came with, and then hopefully you guys will be able to see it kind of do its thing, do its like trickery. Okay, so actually I think I can move this around. So first oh, here we go. Okay guys, I think I got it. I've turned it on. It's flashing green. I think all I have to do now is just Osmo found, let's connect. There we go. And let's go. It's activating. There we go. There we go. Awesome. Joystick. Use joystick to pan or tilt phone. So as you can see, it's panning. And you can also go up and down. Oh, this thing is well cool, man. So, and I can control it using the joystick here. I feel like a fighter pilot doing this thing. It's like, yeah. Right, that's the USB-C. So it's this on the side, and you use the provided cable, and you charge it that way, charge it through there. Interestingly enough, it's on 2 battery levels, straight out of the box, which is quite cool. It's good. So yeah, guys, I am going to do a little test, and hope you guys enjoyed. Apologies, it was a bit all over the place again. I'm trying to get better at this, but you never know with these unboxings. You never know how they go. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me do some tests with this. I'm really excited to use this actually. Peace. Hey everyone, I'm back, and I am filming straight from my phone. That is the Google Pixel 3a, and using the front-facing camera, and I am using the gimbal now. And one really cool thing that you can do with this thing is I can actually draw around my face. So if I do that right now real quick, now it's tracking my face, so now I don't even have to move it, I don't even have to control it, but wherever I go it will just track my face. So basically what I could do is I could put this thing here, and it should just track me. I'm not doing anything, literally. I'm just walking around. It's great. So, you know, how about a little dab for that, no? Yeah, no, this thing is really cool. Obviously the tracking is still a bit hit and miss, but that's fantastic. Hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said, apologies if I do ramble on for a while. I'm still trying to get better at this, but I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions or anything. This has been Unbox Everything. Hope you guys are good. Take care, have a good day, have a good night. Wherever you are, stay safe. Take care and peace.